Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today I bought a beater. Honestly, because the price was good. And I figured if I could make easy $500-600, why not? Cars are selling super fast right now. And it's actually a lot harder to find a car than it is to sell it. So I won a 1994 Subaru Legacy for $250. After fees, it was $375. It has 180,000 miles. We are at Mannheim with my brother, and we are going to try to find it. Look at that. We are pretty much at the end. And we have found it. I see snow tires with no metal studs. Pop the hood, Andre. Oh, look at this little baby. Dang, bro, that's rough. Oh, that's a heavy hood. Okay. We got oil. Coolant, that's gonna be way too dirty. Looks like battery's pretty new. Interior is in okay shape. On the dash, thank you. Oh, that's a hot key. I can't get the darn key to turn. And the steering wheel is not locked. Well, it's a Subaru. It's filthy, it's dirty. I would probably want to remove this because it's, who knows, maybe it's hiding a lot of icky stuff. Andre still can't get it going. The speaker. This car is dirty, guys. See all that right there? Pressure washer should be able to get all that out though. I mean, what do you want? It's a 1994. $400 if it runs with no issues, then I'd say it's a win. I guess we'll resume once this thing is actually up and running. Well guys, no luck. Been at it for like 5-10 minutes and the key just won't budge. But honestly, the key looks a little bit worn. So something tells me it's probably the key. That's gonna be the biggest issue. So what I think I'm gonna do is not to trouble the auction, but at the same time maybe I should. I was thinking go to the dealer and pick up a new key, but maybe I'll give Nabby a call. He's the dealer services manager. He helped me out last time. So we'll see, but man, I saw the RPMs running. There is a picture of this car running, so it's supposed to start. And nothing. So and here I thought this video was gonna be short, kind of boring with no, I guess, substance. And here we are. Bye, Subaru. Show you guys a GM limo. Limited SE. Big baller. I think they were asking like 60 grand for this thing. And it's really nice. I was gonna show that it has power folding steps. Oh, I guess 40 grand. I guess it was another one that they're asking 60 grand.
87.
Oh, so maybe it was this one that they wanted 60 grand for.
Just the car itself.
The van, and then all the...
Yeah, Explorer van body for 44
grand. Dang.
For all the interior pieces. So just the van itself is 40 grand, but then plus
wow,
everything that goes into it.
Tell me, would you guys pay 80 grand for this? Because I wouldn't. Savannah, na na na. As you guys can see, today is a new day. I am clean shaven at the request of her. And we are at the Subaru dealership. Everyone's saying hi. The whole group is here. Basically, I went into the Subaru dealership to get a new key cut, and here it is. He said since it's an older vehicle and he can't get like an exact code, it should work, but he said just in case, take this for free. So thank you to Subaru. I have dealt with them before at this location. Always fantastic customer service. Now let's go try to pick it up and hopefully it works. Back at Windy Mannheim with my fresh key, so hopefully this works and hopefully we could pull it out. The only problem is I have to go all the way back. Guess I get to look at other potentials that I could buy next week. I mean, I'm sure most of these cars are sold, but cars like these, well, it's still in the same spot, so no one has started it or moved it. Guess not a bad sign, but we get to try this again. Let me try the old key. Still nothing. Nope. Okay. New key. There it is. No! Oh my goodness. Battery's weak. Battery's weak. Well, guys, at least we got the right key. Thank you again for Subaru for hooking it up, because I didn't pay anything for the key, just time and somewhat lengthy drive, but that's okay. Now I want to go see to the shop over there, see if they have a jump box, so I don't have to walk all the way back to the gate to get this thing started. Thank you to the shop guys. They did give me a jump box. Oh, that's heavy. Okay. Black to black. Red to red. Let's start it up. Check engine. What? That wasn't there. Show you guys a picture of how I saw it. That's definitely annoying, but it is what it is. Yeah. Dropped off the jump box and I hear it. You know what though, guys? For some reason I ain't even mad. Bet you I still get $1,000 out of this thing. If actually it makes it back to the lot. We are moving under our own power. As long as the alternator works, we should be a-okay. Take it to the lot. That's off. Stop sign and go through. Well, guys, she made it. She definitely made it. It actually runs pretty good. It shifts good. I mean, aside from that noise, which lifter, I don't know, rod knock, something like that. Definitely not pretty, definitely not perfect. Hi, baby girl. Hi. You're gonna go open up? What? You're gonna go open up? Aside from that, look, interior is pretty clean. There's like no funny smells in here, no cigarette burns or anything. Mileage is pretty good. I don't know if I told you guys, I ran a Carfax on it, had a timing belt done on it, water pump, whole bunch of sensors replaced. So pretty much I had a lot of major maintenance done within the last 20,000 miles. Unfortunately, the motor, you know, it doesn't sound the greatest. It still runs good. And honestly, I will not lose money on it. I'm gonna wait for the title, which who knows how long it's gonna be. And then I'm gonna try to sell it. Yeah, I think, you know, honestly, that's gonna be it for this video. Windows work, AC works, heater works, radio works, everything works but that engine noise. So that's what you get for $400. And actually the only reason why I bought it is because I saw the RPMs, there were no warning lights or anything. And what happens? First thing, we start it and it has a check engine light on. So it is what it is. I'm not upset at it. You know, it's another adventure. It's another video to put on YouTube. It's another thing you guys will get to see. So here it is, out in the open. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.